Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your A-pillar on your 2016 Honda CR-V. I'm going to start by pulling down this side seal, just enough to get a little bit of a gap here. And then we're going to get behind the A-pillar and we're just going to pull straight out on it. And it becomes loose, but it's still attached behind here. And once it's loose, we're just going to take it and slide it back up and towards us at the same time. And that pops it off. And then we just need to unplug the speaker by pushing this tab and pulling out. And that's it, guys. That's how you remove your A-pillar. And then to put it back on, we need to remove this clip from the body of the car and put it back on the A-pillar. So we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver and push on this tab on the bottom and also the tab on the top while pulling out on it. And you can see here, those are the two tabs I pushed out on. So we're going to take this and we're going to press it back into the clip so it's seated like so. And then we are going to take our molding and slide this back into place. And once that's on, we can go ahead and put the A-pillar back on. I'm going to pull this seal completely off where it meets the A-pillar. And I'm going to plug it back in. And then you want to seat this part in first to the dash. And once that's seated nice and flush, we're going to go ahead and guide the A-pillar back in and then give it a little bit bump and you're in. And then go ahead and just push the seal back up onto the car. And that's it, guys.